Hello students, I am Bimesh, maths teacher. Today I am going to discuss one of the important chapters from 10th class, both CBSE and State Board, that is real numbers. Prove that root 2 is an irrational number. So, what are irrational numbers? Of course, which numbers which are not rational numbers are called irrational numbers. Okay, let us know about rational numbers also. Numbers can be written in the form of P by Q are called rational numbers, where P comma Q belongs to Z, but Q not equal to 0. Denominator should not be 0. And the P comma Q, the GCD of P comma Q is 1. It's nothing but co-primes. Okay, let us see. Rational numbers can be written in the form of fraction form. Fraction form. In the fraction, denominator should not be 0. Denominator should not be 0, and the HCF of numerator and denominator is 1. Must be 1. Okay, they are called co-primes. Okay, let us see. So, to prove any theorem, there are two methods. One is direct method of proof and other one is indirect method of proof. I am choosing to prove this theorem by indirect method of proof. Okay. So, in this method, let root 2 is not irrational. Reverse, taking in reverse order. If not irrational, what it should be? Yes, it should be rational. Assume that root 2 is rational number. If it is rational number, root 2 can be written in the form of P by Q form. Yes, fraction form. So, squaring on both sides, you will get root 2 whole square equal to P by Q whole square. Then square and square root will be cancelled. So, 2 equal to P square by Q square. Right? So from this, what will you write? Sending Q square to left hand side, then Q square equal to bringing here to right hand side, then P square by 2. Okay. If you observe, Q square is equal to P square by 2. So P square is divided by 2. It's nothing but 2 divides P square. Understand? Suppose Rama kills Ravana is active voice. Say in passive voice, Ravana is killed by Rama. So this is in passive voice. P square is divided by 2. So write in active voice, then 2 divides P square. 2 divides P square. Okay. If 2 divides P square, 2 is also divides P. Okay. So this is the symbol divides. This is divided by. This is divides. Okay. If 2 divides P means 2 is factor of P. So clearly we notice that P is an even number. P is an even number. Let it be 1. Okay, so P is an even number. So do you know general form of even number? Write it. P equal to 2n where n belongs to an integer z. Okay, let it be continue from here. So squaring on both sides, again squaring on both sides, you will get p square equal to 4n square. Understand? P square is equal to 4n square. Okay, come back once. Here, if 2 is equal to p square by q square, so what is the value of p square? You know, by doing cross multiplication, p square into 1 equal to 2q square. Shall I write? P square into 1, p square equal to 2q square. Now I am writing the value of 2q square instead of p square. So 2q square equal to 4n square. Both sides 2 cancel. Then q square equal to 2n square. Similarly, bringing this to left hand side will be divided. Q square by 2 is equal to n square. Again, we notice q square is divided by 2. This is also called 2 divides q square. If 2 divides q square, 2 is also divides q. So we know that clearly. We notice q is also an even number. That's why 2 divides q. Okay, q is also a multiple of 2. It's a factor of 2. 2 is a factor of q. Q is multiple of 2. Understand? If 2 is factor of q, q is multiple of 2. So we notice q is also an even number. Let it with the result is 2. Okay, from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. P comma Q are even numbers. Even numbers means they have 2. 2 is a common factor of P and Q. 2 is common factor of P and Q. It is contradiction. What is contradiction? If 2 is common factor of P and Q, P comma Q are not co-primes. Okay, so it is contradiction to our assumption. What is our assumption? The GCD of P comma Q is 1. Okay, so our assumption is root T is rational number, but root T is not rational number. Therefore, root 2 is irrational. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.